Okay, what I want to show you here is, in essence, a biased device. And if you go to my website, StifflerScientific.com, on the index page or the home page, you'll find a link to an audio file where I describe 4 different devices. The second device I describe is the biased device, and that's what you're seeing here. You're seeing a device which is running at this point in time 3 red LEDs. You see these little fellows lit up here, and it's not drawing any energy from the battery. If you listen to the audio tape, you'll find out that a biased device draws power only when it initially starts, and then no longer draws it once it's in stable operation. Now, I have to admit there are some things here which have nothing to do with the operation of the device. I'm unable to show you the exact circuitry necessary to do this. That's why you are seeing some things here that are not necessary. But in essence, what we have is an 18, simple 18. This is the one utilizing no connection through the tuning capacitor off of the collector or L2. I'm coming directly off through a 400 picofarad mica going into my L3. Yes, I do have the parasitic plate. And I'm coming out here through a AV plug. The AV plug is feeding into a center tap connection between these 2 LEDs. Down here, this leg of the AV plug is feeding the center tap of these 2 LEDs. And you see another AV plug here, a coil here, and there is indeed another L3 laying back here. But this particular device, being a biased device, drew approximately 400 microamperes to start up. And one significant thing that you want to see, let me back off here, I get this out of focus on you. Here's a 10K ohm resistor, 10,000 ohms. That's in series with this negative rail off of the battery. So we have these 3 LEDs, 3 red LEDs, running at fairly decent brightness. We have the exciter running through a 10K ohm resistor. Now the voltage has remained stable at 3.5, 3.6 for now with this circuit 72 hours. And this is no fun and games here, this is accurate. 72 hours, this thing is probably only toggling between 3.5 and 3.6 because it's most likely sitting at 3.55, or else we're subject to the plus or minus 1 digit of the meter. Either way, it hasn't budged for 72 hours. And like I say, this thing is doing this through that 10K resistor right here, and running these 3 quite bright white or red LEDs. This LED, of course, is not on, and a couple of replicators that I've been communicating with will know why that LED's not on. But anyway, I wanted to get this up, document it as far as showing the circuit as being a biased circuit. And remember, listen to the audio, you'll understand my definition of a biased circuit.